How's it going? Morning, everybody. How you doing? Chibi, how you doing? Good to see you. Alex, got them turkey legs ready. Zuma, good to see you. Good to see you. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Awesome. All right, let's get New York started. Let's get New York started. Yep, what's going on, Will? Yeah. Should we just close them now, manually? Yeah. That's funny. Yeah. Yeah, we'll just shut them down, save them some trouble, right? Oh, that's funny. How's Asia and London go for you guys? Get some trades in? Anything good? Exclamation Pez, that's right. Everybody spam exclamation Pez in the chat. Oh, that's good, Zuma. Yeah. Yeah, I'm wondering if she can come up with some kind of solution, like some kind of automated solution. I don't know. I always report him as impersonating somebody I know. So, Pez is in Dan's stream, yeah. Yeah, he's a real faithful guy, isn't he? That's all right. Maybe I'll drop. I guess I'm in Dan's stream too. Maybe I'll drop a. Maybe I'll drop a little thing in there. Why not? Yeah. Oh, that. I guess he isn't sleeping in. That's true. That's funny. Okay. Sweet. Well, for the 4 people that are here, I appreciate you very much. Hanging out. Oh, he did a London? Yeah, I saw that. That's interesting. Yeah, well, I don't know. At least, no, I won't say anything bad. I will just say you can rely on me showing up at 8 a.m. every day at the same time, and consistency is something I value. That's all I'll say. That's all I'll say. I forgot to put creamer in my coffee and it tastes like dirt. But that's alright. It's hot dirt. Hot dirt water. Alrighty. Yeah, I caught a stream. I caught a trade in MES last night in Asia, and it was great setup. Only problem was, I took it on a dead account, so it didn't push the needle forward at all. I did take a good trade. If I make it about the trade, then I was fine. But the fact that I took it on a dead account, I was like, yeah. I love my hot bean water. All right, cool. For the ones that join Discord, she should make automated. For the ones that Rogue One, yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, I guess you can't. I feel like, hey, what's going on, Pez? Good to see you. Two different streams. Sounds good. What's going on, Candace? How you doing? There it is. Pez has not slept in today. That's awesome. It's good to see you, Pez. Yeah, Perry is in the chat. Sick. Well, how's it going there, Perry? How you doing? How's your trading journey going. Yeah, no, it's all right. It's all right. Only watch one at a time. Well, the fact that you're here means a lot. I appreciate it. The fact that anybody's here while Dan's streaming means a lot. It does. It means a lot. So I guess you can watch two at one time. But hey, hey, what do you know? I got Dan on too. So I guess we're all in Dan's stream. Why not? The fact that I can be here and also be there and type at the exact same account is crazy. Yeah, I don't want to ban Dan again. Stop doxing your real name. Yeah. Your real name is probably like, I don't know, it's probably like Periwinkle or something. No, I don't even know. Can't wait till Dan goes back to London. Yeah, interesting. Ariel, how you doing? Good to see you. Appreciate you. Welcome in. Welcome into Dan 2.0. Yeah, I won't say your real name anymore. I'll just say Pex or Pez. What's going on, Alex? Good to see you. How you doing, Puck? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I know you're just kidding around. You're probably like a I don't know. There's a name I can't think of right now. It's like French Canadian. I can't think of the name. It's common, but it's probably what your real name is. Yeah, not that famous. Yeah, you're pretty famous. You're famous among all of us, which is good. Pierre. Yeah. See, look, Dan isn't standing anymore. See that? He gave up on standing, so you don't have to do it either, Pez. Even though he did inspire all of us. Yesterday a loss? Yeah. Yeah, as long as you can move forward, you can move through it and put it behind you, you'll be alright, Alex. I took a, big loss last week, and, it was, I'll show you guys my journal. It was a hell of a, it was bad. Like, see this right here? You can tell I fell off a cliff, and I'm slowly, and I mean slowly, crawling back. Oh, yeah. No, that's true. I remember you guys did it at like the same time. I can't remember though. It's been a long while. There's been my month. Well, it's only December. But where my head is, let me move out of the way. There's my tilt session right there. Right there. There's my tilt session that I'm recovering from. Right? Had a pretty good month up to that point. Everything, you can't see it, but everything on the left here isn't bad. Now slowly crawling back. Yep. Recovering tilt addict. Never again. Never again. I had a thing called Opportunity October, which is I wanted to get funded then, and I did. Not going back November kind of took on a meaning for me, and that is I'm never going back to this. I thought it meant never going back to, I don't know, a 9 to 5 or whatever, right? This is what I'm never going back to. I'm never going back to this. Yeah. Exactly, Arrow. That's why I show you guys. I don't want you guys to feel alone in it, And it's yeah. Yeah, it's not good, but it's the emotional pain I suppose I had to go through to never go back to it again. Right? And as you can see here, this bottom row, it's been small pickings back up. And I haven't fully recovered it. This is my funded account. I still could lose this account. But if you look, my MLL is growing. Yeah, I took one loss here, and I was like, what the hell, it's going up. I'm gonna win on this trade, it's going up. And I was correct, it did go up, but it took like 2 hours. And I took losses all the way. I'll show you guys, it was on NQ. I know we haven't talked about any trades today yet, but we will. Let's see if if they're still in here. Where are you at? Where are you at? They might not be in there. I don't think they hold them in there past a certain date. Yeah. Yeah, I don't. No, I don't see them anymore. But it was like, obviously it was 12 trades, right? So Ariel took, no, don't do that. Let's do this instead. Let's do exclamation mark cheers at Ariel. So we can make her feel better. Like that. That'll make her feel better. L for learn, yeah. There you go, Ariel. That's for you. That's for you. Oh yeah, the turkey leg. So the turkey leg strat worked yesterday. NQ went for it. NQ definitely went for it. Oh, it moved. Yesterday it was the turkey. I had the turkey leg right here, somewhere, and it actually took a bite, just like that. It took a bite of the turkey leg just like that. It was so funny. I logged in last night in Asia and I just started laughing. Nah, you'll be all right, Ariel. Yeah, as you can see, I took a major loss on a funded account. I paid real money for this account, and I'm still here. And you just have to keep showing up. You have to keep showing up. And you have to move. The best thing you can do is to move beyond it. You have to fix the psychology and then put it behind you. And if you do that, yeah, you're right, Stuart. Yeah, I might put out a short with the turkey leg. I had a turkey leg strat yesterday in NQ and it worked. I think I clipped it. I don't know. I have to look. But I also did something like that last week, and I didn't want people to think I'm a completely an R word. I would say, well, I guess TikTok got revoked. TikTok is so dumb, man. They won't let you stream for anything. Like I had access yesterday and today I don't. It doesn't make any sense. It's like, oh, we don't like the fact that you didn't wear makeup today. We're revoking your access. I don't know. All right, what do we got here on Goldie? Possible rejection back into the range, which looks good. Could set us up nice for type 2. We'll see. Yeah. All right, let's see. Yeah, you're right, Stuart. Yeah. Yeah, these two accounts were my first funded accounts. And I kind of debated because I passed the 2 qualification accounts back to back, and I was like, I really want to switch this Top Step. What do I do? And I decided, well, I went this whole journey here. I'm just gonna go ahead and get them activated. Maybe I'll make enough money, payouts, and then I can shut them down if I wanted to. So I think that's what I'm still planning on doing. Sorry, I'm supposed to mute that. Lady Dawn G. Gonzalez, thank you for your sub to the channel. Welcome to the crew. Welcome to the crew. All right, NQ producing any results over here? Not really. Not at the moment. Gold's looking better, but this is also looking pretty trash. 31 hour. It looks overall bearish, so I'm looking for sells. Yeah. Not bad. It is engulfing. A lot of bottom wicks here. If it gives a good retest, we could take a little sell here. Why is that thing spamming? This should not be spamming like that. Oh, maybe it didn't spam. Did it spam? I don't know. I removed it. Whatever. Yeah, whatever. Okay. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Should we take a little selly sell here? There is a bit of a level here. I don't know. It's risky. Like Dan's got a level there. That's tricky. Yeah. I love this music, man. Yeah, I don't know. This is giving me pause, as people would say. I mean, it's not the strongest level, but it is definitely there. What's the daily doing? Red on the daily. We're at the top of a range. The daily looks bullish. You see, it's moving, it's creeping back up on the daily. I'll put a high time frame resistance up here. So, yeah, I don't know. That's that little mini micro level there's got a little bit of yeah, it failed to close below. Also pushed up a lot pre-New York. Yeah, it's a good. Yeah, it's given me vibes, giving me not clean vibes. Plus, if you look over here, there's also potentially where this level could still be. This could be the level that it's respecting right here. So I think it might be good to wait. I'm okay with that. Yeah. Doesn't hurt to wait. But we've got the market pinned, you know? We've got it. I always think about that scene in Star Wars when they're in the trash compactor and they're getting squished in. Yeah, it could be on the lower. Exactly. Let's see, do we have any news this morning? Dan's flashing off his big rolly. See, do I have anything to flash off? No, I don't. And I never will. Never will. Not because I won't figure it out, but I'm not a materialistic person. Yeah, I gotta get the pirate hat out. It's up there. I'm waiting for it to fall on me. I'm waiting for it to fall on me while I'm streaming. It's gonna be really funny. Someday something's gonna fall on me and it's gonna be hilarious. Yeah. Yeah, maybe I'll break out the Casio from 1986. You and Dan pretty much said the same thing about having the market pinned. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah. Well, I did learn from the man. He is the legend. The man, the myth, the legend. So I guess I paid attention in his classes. Which is good. No. Let's see. News. I'm not seeing any today. That's concerning. Good. Tomorrow. ADP, NFP. No, non-farm employment. And then PMI at 10. But that's whatever. I don't know. I barely understand what that crap means. Which message did not go through? Sometimes the messages, I've got all the, everything's, if anything doesn't come through, it's because YouTube blocked it. My bot, I've turned off all the banning. After Dan got banned, I turned them all off till I need them. I'll turn them back on when I need them. But for now, we're good. Stuart, you crazy. You crazy. Oh, I see. Yeah, I didn't see anything pop up as a ban. Down. All right, let's see. If you guys want to have some fun, look at your channel banner. I will. Oops. Sorry, whitewashed you guys. Or flashbanged you guys. Didn't mean to do that. Apologies. If you guys want to check out, there's some commands there. Have some fun with them. You can do 8-ball and ask a question. You can say... something like that. You 8-ball, ask a question, and then it'll pop out a random answer. Alright, Pez wants me to check out his channel banner. Last I looked, oh, nice, dude. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Yeah. Heck yeah, bro. Yeah, that looks good. That looks really good. Sick. Now people know when they show up, they know what they're getting right away. Love it. Within 3 seconds of them landing on your channel, they need to know exactly what everything is about. Hey, that works. No, that works, Pez. Fiverr is a good website. I designed my logo. Where's it at? For my other channel on Fiverr, and now I'm tattooed it on my body. This was designed on Fiverr. Yeah. So there you go. Yeah, I know. Right? So, hey, I'm all about it. I'm all about it. I got the tattoo for free. Nothing wrong with free. Free tastes better. Anybody in Twitch other than Zuma? Zuma is there. And I'm also streaming on Twitch if anybody's interested in checking it out over there. I was streaming on TikTok, but now TikTok is being dumb and will not let me stream anymore. So I don't know why. I've heard people get shut down on TikTok a lot. Especially traders, for whatever reason. No, you're good, Zuma. All is good. All is good. Well, I'm glad I didn't take a sell there. I'm glad I hesitated. Hesitation station. Yeah, that was weird, wasn't it, Alex? The 5-minute delay on TikTok, I couldn't quite figure that out. I thought that was very strange. I was like, I don't know. Psh. But you know what, Pez? That kid that you paid, you probably made his day. So, he's happy. He can... Mom, I made some money. Who's sending so many reactions? I don't know. Probably Ariel or Pex. Hey, smash the... Here, I'm doing it now. Look, usually when you guys see it, like, pop off, like 1,000 of these, it's me. It's not Ariel. How about that, Pez? It's not Ariel, it's me. I've been hiding in the shadows, smashing that button. Because I'm trying to get the attention to come to your channel. I'm trying to get the likes. I'm trying to get the YouTubes. I'm trying to get the tubes to check you out. But, you know, I don't know. There you go. Thanks, Stream Elements, for dropping a sub notification there. Appreciate you. All right, let's see here. NQ, are you awake? I love when I show up to New York and nothing's happening because it's New York and not Sydney. So, yeah. I was going to show you guys my MES trade, too. Oops. Pez, you got to get NQ or MES on your account. You can do it, bro. You can do it. I believe in you. MES. Find the trade I took last night. But I took it on my dead account because I'm a genius. Oh, I hate when that happens. Where is the trade? Was that it? No. Why won't it show me the trade? Whatever. It's so dumb. Hogs. Yeah, get those hogs. Tap on YouTube. Yep. Tap that. I don't know if that heart button or the 100 button or whatever. I don't know if it does anything. Especially if I can do it or if it's just for the chat. But it would be nice if spam and reactions gets attention to the channel. I hope. I don't know. I know it works on TikTok, but I don't know about YouTube. Okay, where's my trade from yesterday? Where was it? Where was it? I don't even remember now. I'm looking at it. Yeah, it's very doom and gloom, isn't it? No, I'm kidding. Yeah, you won't get banned for tapping. Not here. Not here. If you were to get banned, it would be an accident, and I'll fix it. I fixed it as soon as it happened. Yeah, fix it. This song makes me think of like playing GTA Vice City and driving around Miami. I don't know why. Yeah. Yeah. He'll probably never come back too. I feel bad. I feel bad. I told him I'm sorry, man. It was an accident. Yeah. That's right. This is a good one. I like this one. All this is royalty free, believe it or not. Got it off of YouTube. I've been using this music for years. I like it. Whoa. Drinking invisible coffee. I'm drinking the markets. I drink those candles. The candles and I are one. I can't remember what my trade was. Oh, duh. If I go here, then it'll show me. Don't let me stay there, though. Jeez. Alright. This was it right here. Only went one or two contracts. That candle right there doesn't look right. That was a lot stronger of a pullback. You ever have that where you come back to the charts? That's right, let's dance. You ever come back where they come back to the charts and the candles are something glitched or something? I do remember there was some glitching going on in MES last night, and I logged off as soon as it glitched. Yeah, but yeah, that was this reversal right here is what I took, and I wrote it all the way up to here and closed it all the way up here, somewhere around there. Or I closed partials first, but I took it on a debt account, so it didn't count. I gotta remember. Look at the pink in the corner. It's possible, Zuma. What I usually do though that's possible. The only thing is on OBS, I have the vertical over here. I have another screen that's got the vertical, and I don't have the music going to it. I have to go back and look and see if it recorded the music. Yeah, or just TikTok and YouTube don't like each other. Yeah. But even if that was a joke, it's still true. YouTube or TikTok and YouTube, they don't mix. So, if there was a song on YouTube, it is possible that they said they revoked it. I got a little message that said your content does not match our, I don't know, because maybe it's seen as gambling. You know, every time Dan mentions gambling, he gets banned on TikTok, right? So it could be something like that. I could have said something that I shouldn't have. I don't know. I said casino. That should be okay, right? I don't know. I don't know. Wow. Alex, that's low. That's super low. You gotta fix that, man. I'm just kidding. It's a random number. Yeah. It's a random number. Here you go. I will say, try that. That didn't work. Oh, nice. 99%. I like that. Sick. Why isn't check out working? What did I do wrong? I can't remember my own commands. Ah, stop. Dan's yelling at people on stream. I had somebody come in my stream yesterday or last week and was like, it's nice to come into a stream where the streamer is calm. And I was like, I see what they mean. I see what they mean. Oh, I was like, for a second, I was like, oh, I never had any issues with Dan. And then I was like, I see it. I see it. And then there's other streamers that are like, there's one guy, I don't know who he is. He always pops up. Let's see if I can. TJR, this dude. He's always like screaming and having a meltdown or something. I don't know. I can't. Sorry, bro. Grow up. Like you're an adult, man. Oh yeah. It's true, Ariel. Yeah, it's true. Let's see. Oh, it's collab. That's what it is. There you go. That's what I meant to do. We were just talking about TJR. I don't know. I don't watch him. I've just seen a few of his TikToks. I think Dan gets frustrating questions. People do ask him crazy questions. I'm gonna ask him a frustrating question. That's right, Pez. Get some. Nice. I'll have to check that out after stream. Ask Nikki if Nikki, yeah, Nikki should get paid. Nikki does need a paycheck. Terrified of elevators? I'm going to start taking the steps to avoid them. All right, what do we got in the market? Pretty beautiful market action, price action today, isn't it? Come on. I've noticed that NQ has chilled a little bit. It's not as big. The ranges are smaller. Normally I'm used to a couple hundred tick ranges on NQ. And even gold has been crazy for a while, but it seems like it's chilled a little bit, which kind of sucks, but I don't know, you kind of get used to it and then it changes again. Yeah, get him, Pez. I want to see. Oh, you bison. Yeah. Daniel Banks. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. I like putting in Bang Bang Banana. Pez, one day we, right at New York Stock Exchange Open, we all spammed his chat, buy or sell. It was like 15 of them in there. It was awesome. You got him? Good. Dan is an old soul, isn't he? He's an old soul. I don't know if I can. We should all spam turkey legs. He wouldn't even know what it meant. Turkey legs. Yep. All right, market. What are you doing here? Anything? Nope. Jeez, Pez, you're going crazy. He's gonna get himself banned. Oh, I love it. I'm surprised Dan doesn't come into other streams like your stream or Ty's or mine and just return the favor of the crap that we put in his stream, because we do, right? We do. We put some stuff in his stream that's sus. Nikki's dropping turkeys. Yep, turkey legs. Nice. Nikki's dropping she's like, send me your card number and the 3 digits on the back and I'll buy you 10 fundeds. That's actually pretty good. That's a pretty good reply to some dumb comment. Sweet. The market is pretty much moving sideways and dead right now, but hey, we're here. We are here. Giannis Iglidis, thank you for the sub. Welcome to crew. I don't know if you're here or not, but I'm not sure I pronounced that properly. Sorry if I messed that up, but welcome to the crew. That's crazy, Zuma. Yeah. That's the bad thing about doing this is you're just welcoming the filth of the world to come mess with you. Sucks. That's crazy. Maybe New York has been bad lately because Dan's been here. You know how he always says that about himself? He's like, I show up and then all of a sudden... oh yeah, that sounds good, Alex. I think Pez has already started doing that. He's just gonna evaporate, like in Thanos, or just snapping him out of existence. Oh man, we're just trashing this chat. It's so funny. What else are we gonna do? We're just staring at candles, you know? That's funny. Yeah, I definitely did, Alex. I said, send crypto, Dan, send crypto. It's funny. He's doing a 100K challenge. That's cool. I'm doing a $100 challenge. It's good to see Cody came back. Been a while. Jeez, Pez is going crazy. Like, share, and subscribe. That's right, Alex. That's right. Appreciate everybody who does. I put out daily shorts, which are just basically clips from the live streams. So you don't have to watch the whole live stream to catch like good moments. There's still good moments that I miss, but I do like to put out shorts. Like when Dan got banned, I put that one out. Whenever I take a trade, if we get a win on stream, I'll put those out so you guys can see. Even a loss, I'll put a... Yesterday I had a losing trade that turned into a win, and it was insane. So I clipped some of it and put it on the channel. It should be dropping today, I think. I got it all set up. Yeah, absolutely, Alex. Yeah, I'm glad you... Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I got one short right now that is starting to gain a lot of traction. It's got like 700 or 800 views, and it's all about how to lose. What's the correct way to lose? You know, how to set your stop loss and how to manage the loss. Because I can only imagine how many people in the market lose every day. So when they see something like that, maybe they're like, well, how do I stop losing? That would be nice to know. Absolutely, Stuart. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, I'll keep them going. I try and do two to three a day, which might be too much. 3 might be too much. I don't want to bombard you guys or exhaust you guys with too much. So I'm trying to do, I cut it back to 2 plus a live stream. That's 3 videos a day. That's pretty good. What do you guys think about a collab stream between me and Pez? If I'm worthy to be on his stream. I'm available in Asia on Mondays, and then of course New York every day. But we'll see. I mean, I'd like to do that. It'd be fun. Do it for you guys. But you'll have to push Pez to do it. He's hard to convince. I'm a opportunist. Yeah, that's right, Alex. I'm an opportunist. I'll do anything. I'll try anything. Anything and everything. I'll try it. So, even if it's just once, you know? And that's right, spamming Pez in the chat. I love it. Let's see. I'm curious. That's right, TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Appreciate that, Alex. Although TikTok is dumb. That's all I'll say. I just want to see if this one, I fixed this one. It was broken. See if it works. Still doesn't work. It still doesn't work. That's okay. So dumb. It's lies. That's right. It's a buffoonery. Pez is just spamming his chat. He's looking up people in Newfoundland. Oh. I get him. I know what Dan wants. I get him. Here you go. Got him. Bro, legit, one time, I was like, Dan, we should do meetups around the world. And he's like, yeah, that's a good idea. And I said, bro, you should come to Miami. And he goes, I have no interest in coming to Florida. And I was like, we have Latinas. And I kid you not, he pulled up a Google and started looking up tickets. It was the funniest thing I've ever seen him do. I laughed so hard. It was like instant. Changed his mind. It was so awesome. Oh, it was so awesome. Yeah. I have not taken a trade in New York. Not today, Stuart. Sorry if I missed your question there. I took one in Asia, but it was on my debt account, so it didn't really count. Yeah. It's crazy. Even Nikki said gingers. Better. No, you're good, Stuart. All is good. All is good. According to Stream Elements, I've been live for 22 hours. I think that's not correct. Not correct. Does this one work? No quotes found. I gotta fix a couple of these. Yeah, they are. They are, Stuart. But it's still fun. It's still fun to have to do that. Yeah, that worked. Yeah, let me change that. Bolinox discounts changed. And I don't even know if it works because it was a 24-hour code. Let me see. Where is that code at? Here it is. The one on screen is now accurate. If anybody's interested. You gotta remember to change those. Okay. Man, this volume is dead today, isn't it? Wow, look how gold is just moving so small. Such a small range. Yeah, we need to get another turkey leg out. It's not a bad idea. Let me switch back here. I'm gonna make it smaller. Oh, I don't even know how it's so big. It's so ridiculous. I don't know how to make it smaller. How do I do it? I can't make it smaller. Whoa. I don't know. I broke something. I guess that's all. That's what we got. I can't. I can't make it any smaller. I don't know how to make it smaller. Now I got two of them. I suck at this. Oh, jeez. This is so weird. Like, literally, TikTok is sending me messages saying, go live, your viewers are waiting. And then I click the button to go live, and it says, you don't have live access. Well, you know what I can do. How about some bacon? Let's do bacon today. There you go. Bacon's better. Some bacon on screen. Man, this market sucks. Price action sucks. Yeah, hopefully we get a breakout here. We've got this potential long wick on the left. I don't know. Try to go live. Oh, that's awesome, Alex. You're the best. Yeah. Yeah, Dan is Roger Jr. and I'm Roger Jr., I guess. So is Pez, Roger Jr. Trying to go live on TikTok is very frustrating because it's not working. I'm going to test it. Oh my gosh, this is so dumb. We'll see if this breakout candle is worth it. We'll see what happens, yeah. But hopefully we get a gold. I'm going to ignore NQ for a minute while we look at gold. I need a top wick on this candle. Oh my god, this is so dumb. All right, we got our closure. Pretty weak top candle. L trader. Aren't we all L traders? We're just faking it till we making it. Guys, boycott TikTok because TikTok sucks. Wait for gold to explode now, yeah, and leave us behind again. I know gold always does this crap, but it's potentially making the top wick that we missed on the last candle. So hopefully, hopefully it does that. We'll see. I don't know. I'm pretty numb when it comes to gold because it's a bit of an ass. It does whatever it wants. Doesn't follow the rules. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do an age verification on TikTok and it's stupid. Thank you. Finally. I'm gonna try and go live on mobile. Let's see if it lets me. It worked. See, what the heck? We are live on TikTok. Nice. So if it worked there, it should work over here. We are live on TikTok. On mobile. It worked on mobile. Trying to go live on the computer. Let's see here. If you go to TikTok, you guys will see my green screen. It's not that great, but yeah, behind the scenes if you want. I don't know. It won't work. But I can go live. I can go live on mobile. What am I supposed to do with that? What am I supposed to do with that? That doesn't do me any good. I don't know how to fix it. How come I can go live on mobile, but I can't go live on the computer? Look at that gold. Gold just decided to disappear without us. No bottom wick, nothing. Of course. Of course. Alright, well, I'm going to close it down over here. But at least I can still go live. I've reached 300 views. Yeah, you're right, Stuart. And that's the thing. You start getting to the point where you recognize behavior, and this is one of those days where, sorry guys, stupid thing always opens up. Stop. It always, I lost my train of thought. It always opens up the new tab in the over the candles. My brain is melting. TikTok is melting my brain. Yeah, I don't know about gold right now. Yeah, it's definitely moving to that next range. I know my chart is frozen. I'll fix it in a second. It's not a bad answer, Stuart. That's not a bad answer. I like that. It's not a bad answer. I like it. It had a bunch of crap answers in there, and I changed them out. I put a bunch of like trading related answers, and that seemed to give you a pretty good one. Look at gold having a pop off here. It's crazy. Our next level is about right there. Lurking in the shadows. Stock exchange opens in 20 minutes. Dan is flexing. Not much going on today. Pretty boring stream. Sorry, guys. Markets are sucky. But this is how it goes, right? We just have to show up and continue. When one falls, we continue. For those who come after. Yeah, exactly, Stuart. That's what we're waiting for. I think gold is wanting the bacon too, but I don't have it over here. rough price action today. Sorry guys, I meant to mute that. I clicked the button, but it didn't work. I didn't mean to clear my throat in the microphone. Apologies. I've been trading since April, which isn't very long. It's not very long, but I have been able to become profitable. It took me about 2 months to become profitable. So, but I've been kind of like understood the markets and stuff before that. You know, I just kind of, and I understood gold and silver and all that stuff way before. But actual this futures since April. Yeah. Yes. Yep, I have Ariel. If you look here in the top left-hand corner, the pink, see how Bullinox is pink? When it's red, that's the qualification account. And pink is the funded account. I've actually passed 2, but I lost one of them. But hey, you know, that's part of the journey. Lost 1 funded account, and I still have the other one, which is what I'm on right now. Yeah, I've been trading since daddy mama. That's right, Pez. I don't think Dan likes New York. He doesn't seem very happy. He's kind of like, this sucks. Go back to London. Yeah, I think about going to Top Step every day, man. I don't know. The trailing drawdown on Bullinox, oh, it just kills me. I want a static drawdown. I really do. Trailing drawdown is the worst. And it's confusing and it's hard to understand. Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, he did say, in his words, London is his baby. And he didn't want to give it up. So, I don't know if he's just got certain things going on this week and he can't do London. I don't know. Or last week. There you go. Dan's putting his email on stream. L Streamer. Look at that. L Streamer leaving his email straight up for everybody to copy. Come on, Dan. Protect yourself a little better, dude. Oh, he's killing me. Now everybody's got his personal email. Oh. I love you, Dan, but you're an old soul. Can you imagine Pez on Asia and pre-London, and then Dan jumps in on London Open? Yeah. Yeah, for sure, Ariel. It's almost like Dan's like, yeah, whatever, I'm just gonna steamroll my way through this thing. All right. Ready for the flood. What are you eating, Pez? You eating some croissant? Stock exchange is going to open in 12-ish minutes. What's going on, Martin? Welcome in. Tim, good to see you. Welcome in. Coming over from Dan's stream. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Oh, you mentioned. Oh, okay, got it. Yeah. Yeah, welcome to the continuation of New York. How you doing, Caliper? Welcome in. How do people get funded accounts? They stand on a corner and say, "We'll trade for food." Yeah, NYSE. What's going on, Allison? How you doing? If you guys see, I've got a piece of bacon here on stream because I'm trying to entice NQ to wake up and move. You know how it is in the morning. You wake up, bacon's cooking. So I thought it might work on NQ. You know, I don't know. You gotta try whatever works. That's right, making bacon. Making some bacon. Making the bacon. Yep. Welcome in, everybody. Appreciate you guys coming in. Hope you enjoyed your sesh with Dan. We are continuing the fight. We are continuing the fight. Gold had a nice big pop there and didn't give us an opportunity, which sucks. But the good thing is it's come up to a stronger level. So as you can see, we've got a couple more. This was a support, turned resistance, support. So this level that it's at now is stronger. So I like that. That trade from Dan with the red hammer candle, man, that went fast. Yeah, I saw a lot of people caught it. Did he catch a? I didn't see. I missed it. He streamed, or he caught a. Did he catch a? Are you saying he took a trade on stream? I missed it. Do you like gold for possible? Oh, okay, cool. Got you, Tim. Wow, that's weird. Must have been a quick scalp. Maybe you got bored. Do you like gold for possible reversal? Yeah. If it can't break this resistance, for sure. Because we have a bunch of junk right here. There's a level here. There's a level here. Move this out of the way. There's a level here. Here. Big level here. And then it turned into it's a support turned into a resistance. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll mark it differently as a multiple support resistance line. Which tells me that it's a very respected level. Looks nice on the 1 hour. Nice. Excellent. Yep, everybody who's coming in from Dan's stream, appreciate you. I'm Seth. I'm one of Dan's students. Myself, Perry, Ty. We all know his system well and trade his system every single day. His system is basically price action. So we're students of Daniel Holmes, and we're just continuing the fight. Stock exchange is gonna open on exactly Dan Jr. Yeah. What's going on, Will? How you doing? Good to see you. Welcome in. Appreciate everybody being here. Grant, good to see you. Welcome in. Yep. Thanks for coming in. Appreciate seeing you. USA Dan. Yeah, there you go, Caliper. That's a good way to put it. We all live in Dan's shadow. But then Dan lives in Raja's shadow, so hey. Yeah. The cycle of life continues. Yep. Exactly. Yeah, we're just waiting for some good price action. Hopefully. Usually when you have gold pop like this, you gotta wait a little bit because it's just like, especially with the New York, the next candle is gonna be New York Stock Exchange, so it's gonna really rip. I like to let price settle down a little bit, and then once it's done settling down, I can hopefully get an entry. Hopefully we get an entry in the next 30 to 45 minutes. I know it's a long time to wait, but this is the game we play. You know, you spend a couple of hours on the charts, you make a couple of $100, you make a couple $1,000, whatever it is, and then you're done for the day. And you got the rest of your life to live. So a couple hours on the charts is nothing when you look at it like that. But yeah, we stream New York every single day starting at 8 o'clock for those of you that are new. You can follow the channel here and get a daily reminder that we'll be live at 8 o'clock. If you guys want, while we're waiting, you can do this thing where you put exclamation mark 8 ball and you ask it a question and it'll produce a random answer for you. There you go. Glad I found you on Pez's stream last night. I've been trading the strategy for 6 weeks on my own with good results. 3 years trading total. Nice, Caliper. Yeah, I think Pez has said when you, I think he said this, when you hit a point where you are like trading for a couple years and then you're just not like progressing, that you just need to make some tweaks. So hopefully you're able to pick up some new tweaks from me and Pez and Dan and Ty and all the guys that are streaming. And it's good because you can always catch a stream in each session. New York has a stream. London, I think, maybe not, I don't know. And Asia. But yeah. So we'll see here. That first candle. What's going on, Crazy? Good to see you. Exclamation Pez, that's right. If you guys want, have a little bit of fun, check out that. It'll bring up a little page you can look at. There's all the commands that you can type into chat. Exclamation Pez is one of them. And every time somebody puts it in there, it adds a time. I love it. It slept in 36 times. I love it. Pez was here earlier. I don't know if he's still here or not. He might be lurking. But either way, it's fun. Also streaming on Twitch, if you guys have a Twitch account. And I'm trying to restream on TikTok. I have live streaming on TikTok, but it's not working today. So I gotta fix it. Yeah, yeah. Last time Dan came in here, my Stream Elements bot accidentally banned him, which I fixed. It's not gonna happen again. I fixed it, but it's still funny. So, but yeah, Dan was lurking. We jumped into trade, and he was like, "Oh, I'm in this one too." And then it's because he typed all caps. He was like, "Yes, let's go," or something, and it just nuked him. so I turned that off. I didn't need it. I didn't even know it was on. So I turned it off. That hopefully I won't need that for a long time. But yeah, it's better to just leave it off. I didn't open up this bot element thing for banning and moderation. I opened it so we could have fun with it and do exclamation mark stuff. That's the whole reason I put it in here. Because we're sitting here watching candles, right? It can get a little boring. But yeah, feel free to have some fun. There's one, you can get some random answers. Like if you do exclamation mark win rate, it'll tell you what your win rate is. Oh, look at that, 95%. Let's go. I'll take that. That's a nice win rate. There you go. There's the evidence, folks. there's the evidence. Yeah, exactly, Allison. Yeah, no, you know what, Stuart? That's smart. That's really smart. Yeah, you got 99%. It's a random number. It's a random 1 through 99 number, and you got 99. That is sick. That's really sick. Yeah, I would definitely. You're good. You're solid. You're locked. Even at 95, I'll take 95 every day. I'll take 95. Stock exchange opens in 2 minutes. We will see if there's any opportunities. To the bank. That's right. Yep, that's right. Drum roll. There you go. Just for you, Allison. There you go. Yep. Get all those drums going. That's right. Watch NQ just go crazy. Regardless of the bacon, it is gonna go wild. And we really need to see, because this is a strong level on gold, what is it gonna do? Is it gonna go past it? Is it gonna reverse on it? Is it gonna hang here for a while? We'll have to see. I see this a lot though. We have 1 minute till stock exchange opens, and then NQ starts moving. And then it opens and it reverses. It's like a fake out, right? It's like gearing up. And people are like, ooh, sell, 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 right? And then guess what happens? See ya. Rockets away and all the sellers get trapped. Yeah, good question. I like that answer. Yeah, that's a good one. There's a lot of answers in there, so. All right, here you go. Ding, ding, ding. The fight is on. In this corner, we have gold, 2-time heavyweight champion. In this corner, we have MNQ. Who will prevail? Fight. I guess it would be Trader Joe in one corner and NQ in the other corner. That's more like it. Yeah. Yeah, we just give this candle some time. Give this candle some time. Hopefully we get a nice little rejection here on gold. That'd be nice. Tried to break out. Came back down. For all I know, gold is just going to continue green for the next 3 hours. Which is fine if it gives us a proper entry, but right now there's nothing. Too much green came from support. Ugh. Tired of gold sucking. Need more bacon. Yep. Yeah. Oh, you can never have enough. You can never have enough. This candle, told you, what was it? Started red, went all the way down, came back up. Telling you, I know these markets. I know NQ. I know NQ and I know MES. Gold has a mind of its own. But I see this every day. I see this almost every day. You watch the markets long enough, you'll really start to see what it's going to do. And looks like it came down here and filled this wick. I don't know if you guys can see that on screen. There's a big wick right here. So it definitely came down and filled that. So it's not going to come back down there again. My win rate with NQ is super high and gold's around 50%. Do you have better stats with one over the other? Yeah, that's a good question. I was tracking that for a while. And then I'm sure I do. But there was a time when gold was doing nothing but moving up, not that long ago. You go to the weekly candle, and we had 8 weeks. We had 2 months where gold was just green. You see this? It was just green, and I have so many buys in there that were wins, so that probably made my win rate go up for sure. But since then, what has gold done? It's garbage. Now maybe it's moving up again. I don't know. But I've struggled to get anything in here. So this has probably reset my win rate on gold. I'm sure if I looked at it, I could figure it out. Sorry, guys. I'm not bored, but I'm bored. You know how it goes, right? Tired too. Let's see. Tired, but I want to trade. Yeah, I don't know why that doesn't work. I think I have more than 0 subs. Maybe it's just today. I don't know. Even if I do. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why. I gotta fix that one too. That one doesn't work. Yeah, bacon strat. It always does. It always works. Look at that. It ate the bacon. Boom. Look at that. The bacon strat worked. Yesterday it was the turkey strat. Now it's the bacon strat. NQ went for the bait. And it worked. That's right, Stuart. It worked. Look at it. Just consumed it completely. Cheers. That's right. Yeah. I appreciate you thinking about me. I really do. That means a lot. That means a lot. Yeah. This is why you guys showed up today. For market maker strats. Just like that. That's it right there. That's the strategy everybody needs. Sweet. You put a piece of bacon on screen. NQ goes for it. You win. And then you can go buy your own bacon. Follow for more tips just like this. Exactly. Get that maple bacon. Yep. Yeah. Look, it just destroyed it. And then it got energy from the bacon and it said, see ya. NQ has a way of doing this, man. It will just dis up here. But, yeah, moon bacon. That's right. Guess what's coming next? Where is my candle? Draw tool. Yeah, exactly, Stuart. I think I will. I think I will definitely turn that into a short for sure. Yeah, I'll clip it. You guys can clip it too. If you're watching on, I think you should be able to. There's a little button at the bottom that says clip. You can clip a segment and then you can share it. And it's fun. It's good fun. What are we going to see next? It's a drawing tool. Nope. Either NQ is going to make a giant top wick like this and come all the way back down, or it is going to, the next candle, we're going to see that. It goes up, rejects, comes down. I see it all the time. So let's see. Let's see if my prediction is right. That's my prediction. I appreciate you thinking of me, Stuart. That's very nice of you. Very kind of you. That's a bold strategy, Cotton. Oh, that's a good one. I love that movie. Oh, I feel like a loser yawning on stream. I should be yawning in a meeting at work instead. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, we did. Yeah, exactly, Martin. Good resistance around 25665. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Yep, good call. And a little bit of range above that for a buy right in here. I like what gold is doing. Gold could present to us a nice type 2 rejection. I am hang on a sec. Gotta clear my throat. I'm originally from the middle of the United States and now I live on the East Coast. Gold, keep that up. That looks good. It is somewhat bullish, so we have to keep that in consideration, but let's see if we can get an opportunity here. Yeah, where's everybody from in this? I've been wanting to ask this. Just type in your country in the chat. In the chat. Oh, I can't talk. I'm just curious where my audience is from. I know we've got Poland. I know we've got South Africa. Yep, Romania. Excellent. I actually sponsored a kid in Romania for a while. I was able to help him in his community and his family. It was awesome. Latvia, nice. Excellent. Europe, Netherlands, US, Netherlands, nice. Excellent. Sweet, sweet. England, oh, it's good to see you, Ed. Welcome in. I know you've probably been here for a bit, but welcome in. Sweet. Australia, India, New Zealand, nice, Ariel. Nice. India, nice. Good to see you, Digital. Welcome in. Yep. Sounds good. Yeah, I kind of wanted to. The reason I was asking is, Iran. Yep, Shibby. Don't forget about Shibby. Never forget about Shibby. I was thinking about changing, or not changing, but adding the subtitles in your language to the stream for the rewatch. And I don't know if that's something you guys want, but if you do, tell me what languages you would like to rewatch the stream in, so that way you can see it in your native language, not just English. But if you are interested in that, let me know and I'll do that. If you're not planning on rewatching streams, then no big deal. English, yeah. I know, my accent is so thick. But I like to do that for my viewers. I did that on my other YouTube channel. Queensland, nice. And I've gotten comments before where people were happy to see that the videos were in their language. You know, I like to respect the people that are watching. True, Shibby. True. Not that it's more of a, how do I put it? It's more of a it's a nicety, as we say. It's like an extra, you know, to be able to read it in your own language. For me, it's like it's me tipping my hat to you, saying, hey, I know you can watch this in English. I know you can read English. I know you can hear English, but I thought I'm going an extra step further there. Yeah. Chinese. Which Chinese? Do you want Mandarin or Cantonese or Fujianese? Risk per trade and evaluation. Yeah. Type 2. Ni hao. She. She. Romania. Well said, Alex. Yeah, but you can always learn it. You can always learn it. Persian, Farsi. Yeah. Yeah. I was thinking about adding Arabic as well. You know, I could add the main ones. I'll probably add, like, you know, Russian, Arabic, Polish, Chinese, English, bad English, really bad English. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, look at this overextended candle. If it comes back down or comes back up and gives us a bottom wick here, that would be not bad, but we didn't really get a long wick here. You kind of need a long wick on gold. Like that. We didn't really get that. It basically refilled half the range in one candle. Yeah, that's a lot. All right, NQ, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna come back down, or are you gonna keep going? This is my prediction for NQ. I got the bacon there though, so it might stay up there. It might stay up there. Yeah. It's tempting. It's tempting. Just a really small retest. It's just not. I don't know. It's not the greatest. It's not bad, but it's not the greatest. It's tempting to take gold, but New York just opened as well, so there's volatility. You can see NQ is following its similar behavior. I'm gonna probably hold on gold here. If this candle here were to come all the way back up and then reject back down and flip red, then I'm interested. Or not maybe all the way up, but maybe to like right here. Yeah, I'm the same way, Shibby. I'm sus on it. Same. But I want to give... you know, when it comes to days like this, where you're just like, you know, let gold prove itself to you. And then once you're like, wow, it really did the best thing here, and it flipped color after having a nice retest, then it improves the setup. It goes from like a B to an a B minus to like an A or an A plus or whatever. Can we sell gold from resistance because 15-minute candle closed bearish? You can, but it's moving green right now, so I'd wait. But we potentially, if it moves green and then flips red again, I'll probably enter in low size, 1 to 2 contracts. You can go heavy if you want, but you really want to save your heavy for the A plus trades. Just my opinion. If you guys are interested, I have another YouTube channel just for fun. Check it out there in the link. It's all about airplanes, aviation. I've done some really sick, cool stuff in an airplane, and I put it on YouTube. In fact, I'm still playing with airplanes. There you go. Boys never grow up, their toys just get more expensive. I like what gold's doing. Let's see if it can flip. If it flips red, I'm interested. Yeah, absolutely, Allison. Trading has been tough, Will. Yeah. For me, it has. It's just been, lately, it's been challenging. Every time I get into a setup, it either reverses and hits BE or it just falls apart. I just have not been able to catch like a really solid, clean textbook setup to where it does what I am used to it doing. It's almost like it's, I don't know, it's the behavior of it is a little bit more unpredictable, and that's a struggle. Yeah, me too, Will. It tests your mental capacity. Yeah, if gold flips and breaks its own bottom wick, I think we can catch a little sell. It's not going to be much. You're really going to need to probably be out by this level here. Oh, you're heading out, Pez? No, that's good. Yeah, you're a vampire. Nah, but you're here, man. Appreciate you being here. Yeah. Guys, check out Pez's channel if you haven't yet. I'm gonna put his channel in the chat. He's also got a free Discord if you want to join it, and he does Sunday sessions or weekend like sessions where we go into psychology and stuff. It's really good. You guys should check it out. Yep, there you go. It's on stream there. Dan's and Pez's YouTubes. They're tubes. Yep. Hey, we're one big happy family, right? Yeah, we help each other out. So we shout each other out in our streams, and it's good. We're just building a community, right? We're doing it for our community more than ourselves. At least I am. I don't know about everybody else. I'm doing it. I could be sleeping right now. I could be whatever, right? But I decided I want to be here with you guys. I could trade off stream just as much as anybody else. Yeah, this candle on the left here is looking not great. Yeah, but yeah, get some rest, Pez. See you for Asia, I hope. There's nothing like sleeping during the daytime. I love it. I hate being asleep at night. I'd rather be asleep during the day. It's dumb, I know. I'm a vampire too. I'm naturally a night owl. Like, I could be wide awake and be fully energized at 3 a.m., 4 a.m. But then 6 o'clock, the sun rises, and I start getting tired. It's so weird. It's backwards. Yeah, for sure, Caliper. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Good to hold off on that. Yeah, we're vampires, Alex. That's true. Yeah, exactly, Martin. Got about 6 minutes before this candle closes. I'm gonna run away real quick. I'll be right back. I have returned. Alright, so well, I'm liking in queue for a potential buy. And it would be with the trend. We'll see if it closes small here. We do have a resistance though, so that could be tricky. Let me look here. Yeah, shoot. Bit of resistance to the left here. Yeah, exactly, Martin. This gold is flipping now, but it's a little too late. I needed it to happen before the 5-minute mark. I never take trades within 5 minutes. It's just too risky. Do me a favor, guys, like the stream if you don't mind. I know we haven't taken a trade, but we are definitely doing some market analysis. And maybe I'm helping you prevent taking a trade that you would normally take. So that's value, right? That there's something to be said for that. Yeah, appreciate it. Appreciate the likes. Like, share, and subscribe. That's right. Thanks, Alex. Ooh, get a little dab there. Yeah, exactly, Alex. Fuck. I got 2 Alexes. No trade. Yeah, I don't like to take trades within the 5-minute mark. And it's just, you're asking to get burned. NQ has a nice, it didn't do what I thought it was going to do. It didn't reverse. But it's caught a resistance here. That is sketchy. Exactly, Martin. Yeah. Yep. Because you really want, if you're going to get into a trade, you want it to, we're kind of counting on a pop there. Yeah, that's a rule for me. It's on my wall. We really are that new candle opens, we want to catch that first, like you wait about 30, 45 seconds, a minute, and then it starts to move, and you want to catch that movement. And then you want to, personally, I like to get out of a trade before the next candle opens. And by doing that, you catch this chunk of the market, and then you get out. That's price action scalping. You're off. Well, good to see you. Appreciate you. Yep. Thanks for coming in. Yep. BE is okay. Nothing wrong with BA. Yeah, exactly, Martin. And it's something I've refined and tweaked over time. Like if I were to take a trade right now with 50 seconds left, then next candle's going to open and anything can happen. Because the markets are based on emotional decisions. Plus we have the 10 o'clock candle right now, which means the 4-hour and the 1 hour are closing. As you can see, move my head. 30 seconds left on the 4-hour candle, brand new 4-hour candle opening, so you gotta be super careful. Give it time. It can be volatile, it can jump, it can be crazy. I would say caliper probably half a year by now, something close to half a year, something like that. All right, watch this candle jump around. Jump, jump, jump around. 4-hour closes. So the 4-hour closed pretty bullish, but it did engulf, so we could consider this possibly a 4-hour type 2. 4-hour type 2s are nice. We might take a 4-hour type 2. Let's see what this candle does. I want to see a good red retest. And then we'll take it back up. It's a little bit more of an advanced strategy. Yeah, that'd be nice, Martin. That would be very nice. Very nice. Daily on gold is red, but it's moving back up. We might grab a 4-hour type 2. That's the higher time frame trades can be better. The 4-hour is moving on NQ as well, but this resistance here, I can't justify buying into resistance. Not right now. So yeah, this isn't that bad of a setup, but that resistance right there, anything can happen. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. It's tempting. It's very tempting, but yeah, that can be a trap. That can be a trap. I've been burnt by that before. You buy straight into resistance and then it hits that wall and it turns around on you. This 4-hour candle, I wish it had a longer bottom wick. But, yeah, no setup, no entry. That's right. I have on my wall called the Rules of Engagement and the Rules of Survival. And the Rules of Engagement say I wait for an A+ setup. And my Rules of Survival are what keep me going. All right. Really want to bet a retest on the 4-hour for gold. That's just too weak. See, this is why I didn't buy into resistance. Look how it's reacting. It's coming back down. Yeah, you're right, Martin. Yeah, once you unlock life, you unlock the matrix. Having a set of rules and discipline for life would be good too. If this were to give a really nice retest here, we could do this, but I don't know. We might not get it. New York's been a little weird lately. It's been a little challenging. But you never know. You never know. It had a bit of a pullback there. It could continue. It's hard to say. Hard to predict. Hard to predict what's going to happen. I like it. Keep going, gold. Keep going. Alex and Malik, you appreciate the follows on TikTok. You guys are awesome. Gold 4-hour candle looks different on Forex. Big top wick here at the 4-hour. Interesting. What's going on, Kyle Kennedy? How are you doing? Welcome in. Welcome to the stream. How are things? If you guys sub to the YouTube, you'll get a little shout out right here. Things are green. Good. Excellent. Good to hear that. Yep. Good stuff. My goal is to finish every day green. Sorry, my goal is to finish the week green. And I'd like to finish the month green, because I'm going to take losses. I might take a loss, move on, trade again the next day. But if I can finish the week higher than I started, then that's good. That's my goal, to accomplish that. Man, I would have loved to buy this on NQ, but that resistance is just you got to respect your levels. Got to respect your levels, because he can burn you. But I would have loved to buy that. That would have been nice. Sometimes you have to watch it leave without you. What's going on? Hi, Rob. Hey, mate, did you do the whole one-on-one thing with Daniel? Was it worth it? And how much roughly was it? I did the one-on-one thing with Daniel. Yeah, absolutely worth it. My cost was different than other people's. He has different tiers, different levels, and so I don't know what he charges now, and I don't know what his rates are. I don't know the inner workings of his business, but you know, you can get in for you know, the one-on-one stuff, if I'm not mistaken, is, I mean, you're paying for a mentor, so you're going to be, you know, it's going to be up there. But as for like just access to the Discord, I think is more affordable on a day-to-day basis. I'm not sure what he's doing now, but yeah, I do recommend it. I'm a product of his mentorship, of his course, and so is a couple of the other guys that do live streaming. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. In fact, we'll do this. We'll run a poll and ask you. If you are in Dan's mentorship, hang on a sec. Answer this question for me, just for guys who are thinking about doing it. I've done this before, but yeah, you won't have any regret. And a lot of it, you know, is based on you, what you can do. You know, you get out of it what you put into it. You know, but he's got a mentorship calls, and we do a Sunday seminar where we talk about the psychology. We go through trade reviews. So if you took a trade and you put it in the channel, he'll go through it, he'll look at it, he'll tell you what was right, what was wrong. Yeah, exactly, Martin. I know this market, man. I know this market. This is why I'm cautious. Now, you could have still caught this, but do you really want, I mean, how many ticks? I mean, it's still pretty good amount of ticks. You still could have got a nice win there, but I just know I've been burned too many times. And now I'm waiting for gold to flip. Type 2, 4-hour type 2 on gold. would be pretty sick. This level right here is on the lower time frames, and the higher time frames kind of trump the lower time frames. So a resistance or a support on the lower time frames, the 4 hour can just blast right through that. Not always, but you really want to respect your high time frames, resistances and supports more. Yeah, 100%. 100%. No, I don't think I want to sell gold at the moment. We'll see. Yeah, it changes directions. I am curious. This looks good on the 4 hour. A 4 hour type 2 will most likely work out more than a 15-minute type 2. Yeah, not bad, but I didn't get a retest on this candle. I wouldn't have taken this anyway. I need a retest right here. Didn't get it. Am I bullish in gold? On the 4 hour, yes. It looks a bit bearish on the lower time frame, but it's also moving sideways. When gold moves sideways like this, you kind of have to go to the higher time frames to figure out what's going on. And it bounced off this support down here and is potentially going back up. So if this red candle flips green, then it's on a 4 hour candle. So you bet I'm in. So far it's already moved 133. That'd be a really good trade if we got that. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll give it a little bit more time. It might not happen for another few hours, but I'll watch it. Gold scalp for that after bearish 15. Yeah, we'll have to see what happens. Crazy. All right, I'm going to end this poll. See what the results are. But those of you that voted, appreciate it. There you go. 100% yes on Dan's mentorship. And those are from people who are in his mentorship. Guys that are, and gals that are trading his system every single day. If it's flip green, then SL is low of current candle. Yeah, so if it flips green, it's going to be a bit of a larger stop loss. But I don't know. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, let's see what happens. It might not flip green. It might just be red. And it might just continue red all the way back down here. And if it does that, then it's invalid. If you check out his channel, Digital, I don't know if you already know about, if you can go to his channel, there, I've got it pinned, or I've got it there. He has on his description on his videos, you'll find the link somewhere. Yeah, you could do that. Hi, Rob. You never know. Yeah, did you take it? Oh, you took it, Mitch? Are you talking about NQ? Or did you take gold? Yeah, ideally I don't really want gold to go any further. Oh, okay. Nice. NQ can present something here too. Yeah. Not a bad setup, but not great. Not good enough for me, personally. I have pretty high standards when it comes to taking trades, and that keeps my probability and the probability to win that trade, it keeps it a little higher. But right now it's moving down, so I might not even get an opportunity to buy gold on the 4 hour. That's okay. So we trade New York every single day. Every day we're in New York. So if we don't get something today, we'll get something tomorrow. And if we don't get something tomorrow, hopefully the day after that. Either way, we're here. We're ready to snipe the market. But yeah, good W there, Mitch. Yeah, absolutely, Alex. Yeah, no kidding. If you've ever been to New York for real, throw a 1 in the chat. If you've actually stepped foot on New York soil. I'll start it off because I have definitely many times. Yep. 1's in the chat if you've been to New York. Most expensive hamburger I've ever eaten in my life was in New York. It was like in 2016 when food prices were not a problem like they are now. My hamburger was like, I think it was, the entire meal I think ended up being like $200 for a hamburger and fries and a drink for 2 people. It was insane. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Alex. Yeah, my first payout, I'm buying my wife a steak dinner. And then I'm taking the rest and I'm giving it to the church. You have train tickets? Not for next Monday, but the Monday after. Oh, nice. Excellent. Yeah, the train is fun. I enjoy taking the train. Just don't get stabbed. Risk per trade in prop firm? Really depends on... It's not the same for every trade. I pretty much, once I get the opportunity to get in and I start looking at a setup, then I'll go through it. I'll say, okay, I'm going to risk this much. I've got this much stop loss. I've got this much room. So I can't really answer that until we actually get a setup that I can take. NQ could provide that here shortly. But like I said, this resistance level, this level on NQ it's there. So now it's coming back into the range. But if it does present an opportunity, we've got a lot of clean range back down. Yeah, it sounds good. Martin, good to see you. Thanks for being here. Yeah, looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Hopefully things go good the rest of the day. But yeah, nice little melt. Awesome. Yeah, take care of yourself. We'll see. I was looking at a 4 hour on type 2 on gold. That is kind of, opportunity is kind of gone for now. It might show up later. We'll see what NQ provides here. If NQ flips, if NQ closes green, I got nothing. Yeah, 2 more candles. Yeah, maybe this candle, and I'll see how the next one opens. I've been on the charts. So how long? Let's see. How long have I been on the charts? I bet it says 22 hours or something. 23 hours. That is definitely not right. No, it's been since 8 o'clock, so I've been streaming for about 2.5 hours now. I'm dedicated, motivated, dilapidated, constipated. No, I'm kidding. Trade London? No, unfortunately I can't trade London. It's at 3 a.m. So for me, it's in the middle of the night. The literal middle of the night. No, nothing yet, Kyle. Still, we're waiting to see. Waiting to see a first setup. Don't have one yet. Don't have one yet. Trading's the hardest way to make easy money. If you've never heard that before, it's absolutely accurate. I also have a TikTok if you guys are interested. Trying to grow that over there. I'll throw that in the chat. I post shorts every day, 2 to 3 per day if I can. Sometimes I don't get to it, but I got a couple that are coming out today. One that's coming out, 2 that are coming out this evening. And they're just basically clips from live streams. I also put them on TikTok if you guys want to check them out. Just looking for quick tips. You know, hey, here's how you protect a stop loss. Hey, did you take a loss? Then you should do this next. You know, stuff like that. Whenever we get a win, I'll post the wins. I'll even post losses. So if you just want to see the raw, unfiltered me basically talking about stuff, check out the shorts on YouTube, but also check out the TikTok as well. I am trying to go live on TikTok. I have a live on TikTok and it works, but it's not working today. It's broken for some reason. And yeah, maybe it's a blessing in disguise. Do not like what NQ is doing. I don't know though, we'll see. I really want some red. I want some red. If it closes green, then sure, we could maybe get another one of these, but it's not guaranteed. Also, you have to look at it. NQ had a big pop, and then it closed basically indecisive. That's what this candle is. Then it had another big pop, or medium, not even a medium pop. This candle is half or a third the size of this candle. So to me, it looks like it's getting weaker. So you have to take in consideration, if you're going to take a buy, it's getting weaker. Gold's just having a bit of a melt here. So there's no longer a 4-hour type 2. That's invalid now. Yeah, we'll see what happens in the next few minutes. A red would be nice. I'll hang around for a red on NQ. A small body red would be nice. These ranges are pretty big. That's 100 ticks right there. This is really massive. Oh, I don't even know if I can take a trade in NQ because the candles are so big. Yeah, I probably... 200. We're looking at a 200, at least a 200 tick stop loss. That's pretty big. Let me check ES. I might get a better opportunity on ES. No. Not even close. Wow, ES looks garbage today. Look at that. Look how ugly that is. People who say NQ and ES are the same, they're not. They're definitely not. You can see, look at this. This is the S&P 500 MES in comparison to NQ. Wow. Big difference. Yeah, maybe Martin. You might completely engulf here. I don't see anything on gold right now, so I'm just going to watch NQ. Yeah, we might get a... If it doesn't just melt, if it melts, then we got nothing. That's right, crazy. Pez has slept in 39 times. Oh, NQ, slow down. What are you doing, dude? Don't do that. Going too far. I hate these markets sometimes. I don't know. It's moving too far. Too far. If it creates a nice bottom wick, we'll be all right. But if it keeps moving like this, we're not going to get an entry. Yeah, the next candles will be fun. 30 seconds here. It's just so massive. Such a huge move. 300 ticks. Too big. Too big. Wow. Not what we thought was going to happen. Nothing. What a shame. That sucks. Yeah, no kidding, Martin. Car payment, yeah. Yeah, exactly, Alex. I hate that it created a bottom wick first. I know it you can... There's an advanced method where that's actually a good thing, but I still hate it. I want to see the rejection first. It's just not going to play nice today. NQ is not going to play nice today. I gave it bacon, I gave it turkey, and it just doesn't want to reciprocate. Give a little bit of time here, see what it does. I couldn't have said it better, Martin. Nothing much you can do. That's the beauty of the market. Just need to wait and catch and stick to the rules. Exactly. 100%. Sometimes you don't get a trade, and sometimes you sit. I've been staring at the markets now for 2 hours. 2 hours, and I've not found an entry. It's like, I don't want to sit here all day, you know, watching candles. At some point, you're like, man, I need to walk away from the charts, and my brain is melting. Yeah, try to not spend too much time on the charts, but it's kind of how it is, especially in New York, because New York is so volatile and so much volume for so long. I hate when NQ does this. It has two couple big moves and then just sits flat. Green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, back and forth. That is not a proper retest. That is just no good. I would really want to see something like that. And then if it flips, the only problem there is we have ourselves quite a big stop loss. 275. I can't even take that if I wanted to. It's too big. Yeah, I have, Martin. Sometimes I work night shift. Sometimes I work through the middle of the night, and I'll jump on London at work. Well, not necessarily at work, like when I'm getting off work at like 3 in the morning. But I'm pretty tired, so sometimes it's not a good idea to get on the charts when you're tired. I actually have a rule about that. I have a rule that says no trading during any sick, fatigue, or emotional tilt. And it says on here, you will lose it, stand down. And it is 100% accurate. My camera froze. Yeah, there's just not, there's nothing here for me. I can't justify this sell. It's too big. It's too much range, and it's just leaving without us. So I think that's the nail in the coffin for me. Yeah. All right. Well, everybody was here. I appreciate you, Martin. Thank you for being here. Puck, you're awesome. Crazy. Thanks for being here. Kyle, if you're still in. Shibby, you guys are great. I appreciate seeing you guys every day. Digital, thanks for being here. Mitch, appreciate you being in. Caliper as well, if you're still in. Let's see who else was in here. Grant, if you're still here, appreciate you being here. The other Alex, thanks for being here. Hi Rob, thanks for being in. Appreciate you. Kyle Kennedy, good to see you. Tim, you guys are awesome. See you guys pretty often. Will, thanks for being in. It's good to talk to you every day. Puck, the other Alex, thanks for being in. Appreciate you as well. Allison, good to talk to you every day as well. Good to see you. Ariel, if you're still here, thanks for coming in. Appreciate you as well. Ed, Odd, if you're still in, thanks for being here. Appreciate every single one of you guys for being here. I think I need to get off the charts. Tim, good to see you. Appreciate you being here. I think I need to get off the charts. My brain is melting. So, need to walk away. Caliper, yep, appreciate you. Yeah, go get a coffee. I need some biscuits and gravy is what I need. Yeah. So we'll do it again tomorrow. I know Dan's been streaming in New York, but I'm still here. Little old me, I'm still here. Yep. Thank you guys for subbing. Welcome to the crew. Oh, did we get a... Yep, somebody subbed over at whoever subbed on Twitch. Appreciate you very much. I'll take a look at that. Light TV Online subbed on Twitch. I don't know if it played or not. Right there. Boom. Welcome to the crew. Appreciate you very much. Yep, welcome to the crew. Yeah, we trade New York every single day, 8 o'clock Eastern time, New York time. Trade New York Open. Go through New York Stock Exchange and hopefully catch some trades. But today just wasn't happening. So if you're going to continue to trade New York, then wait through lunchtime and then look again after New York lunchtime. So awesome, guys. Good to see you. Good to hang out. And we'll catch you tomorrow. All right. See you.